Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I am going to show you on how to find TikTok Shop on PC. So when you go to TikTok.com on your PC and logged into your account, as you can see right here, you'll not be able to see the shop option. So what you're going to do is you have to open a new tab, and then using the search bar is you have to type out for TikTok Shop. So let me just type it out right here. And then you'd be able to see this website. So just click on this first one. Then this page will open. Now you can create joy and sell more if you set up your TikTok shop. And now when you scroll down, so TikTok shop is a completely personalized and fully integrated commerce solution where sellers authentically connect with creators and communities to drive meaningful shopping experience. And when you scroll down right here, you have a TikTok shop for seller. So TikTok Shop enables brands to showcase and sell products for the TikTok community. And when you go to the creator section right here, you'll be able to see this options as well. And for the partner, you also have this one. And for the shopper. So all of this are very important note that you have to remember. And the next thing that you should do is you just have to click on the login button at the top right of your screen to create and set up your TikTok shop. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.